Hello, I am so sorry. It was giving me fits getting in here.
Okay.
I don't know.
It's okay. It's okay.
I have wonderful internet, and my husband builds computers. But Cambly gives me such a hard time every time. How are you?
Yes, I'm fine. And you? Hello.
Nope, it's time to go. Go find sister. So sorry.
No,
Every since my house settled, they just bust in here. She is my 2-year-old. I have
okay.
6
So,
children.
yeah, can you bring her up?
Oh,
Don't worry.
she's a hot mess. They just woke up. Sure. Come here.
Hi.
She said, huh?
Hi. Hello.
She is like literally a hot mess.
So nice. Hello. Hi. Okay, no problem. Bring this up.
There's 6 of them. They'll just keep coming.
Okay. Hi. How are you?
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
What
I'm
happened to her?
so happy.
Okay, can you take them out of there so I can work?
Yes,
Hi.
mommy.
Where's Hannah?
She's sleeping on your bed.
Go wake her up and tell her to help out for a minute.
Okay.
Thank you. Go play, Livy, okay? Do you have children?
No, I'm a student.
I have 6. My oldest is 15, and he is the only boy, poor thing. And then I have 10, 7, 7, 2, and 1.
Okay, so you like children, you like kids.
Oh, yes, very much, very much. I love being a teacher. I love having children. I love...
So nice, so nice.